Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Surah Baqarah, ayat 163. Wa ilahukum ilahun wahid la ilaha illa huwa rahmanur rahim. English translation of this verse: and your God is one God, and there is no deity worthy of worship except Him, the most merciful, the most compassionate. Word to word translation of this verse: wa ilahukum, and your God, ilahun is God, wahidun is one, la no, ilahun deity, illa except, huwa him, ar-Rahman the most merciful, ar-Rahim the most compassionate. Explanation of this verse: this verse is a declaration of central tenet of Islamic monotheism, Tawheed. It emphasizes that there is only one God, who is Allah, and that no other deity is worthy of worship. Allah is characterized as the most merciful, the most compassionate, underscoring His attribute of mercy and compassion towards His creation. This verse affirms the unity of God and His unique status as the sole object of worship in Islam. Reason for the revelation of this verse: this verse serves as a reinforcement of the concept of Tawheed, which is the foundation of the Islamic faith. It was revealed to affirm the oneness of God and to counter any form of polytheism or associations of partner with Allah. The verse addresses the disbelievers, particularly the polytheists of Makkah, who worshipped multiple gods and idols. It also serves as a reminder to Muslims to maintain their belief in the oneness of Allah and not to be swayed by the belief of others. Event related to the revelation of this verse: it has been revealed in the context of the ongoing struggle between the monotheistic teaching of Islam and the polytheistic practice of the Quraysh tribe in Makkah. The Quraysh, who were the custodian of the Kaaba, worshipped multiple deities and the idol. This verse was revealed to firmly establish the oneness of Allah and to call people away from idol worship. It served as a declaration of the Islamic creed and reinforcing the message that Allah is the only deity deserving of worship and that He alone possesses the attributes of mercy and compassion.